Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. Gertrude is so excited to share with you her favorite dog treat. These are the chicken jerky dog treats. What I love the most about these is the fact that they look like something I would actually eat. They're dehydrated chicken fillets. So I love that there's no preservatives in them. I love that they are quite big. So if you have a big dog, you could easily give them one fillet. With Gertrude, we usually break them up into pieces as they're quite easy to break and give them to her piece by piece. But there are times when we give her the whole fillet and it takes her a while to chew through it, which makes me happy knowing that she's cleaning her teeth at the same time. So we give these to our dog primarily as a reward. We're trying to teach her to shake her paw. And at the park, we always bring these with us. We're trying to teach her to come. Doesn't always work, but these are such a great reward and incentive for her. I love the fact that there's no preservatives. I love that it's just pure protein, which is what we usually give our dog anyway. I also like to use them as a topper over her dog kibble. Sometimes she doesn't always want to eat it, and having these little jerky treats on top definitely makes her want to eat her food more. I just love the fact that they are human grade meat, so it's something healthy that I'm giving my dog, and I love the fact that she loves it so much. So no matter what breed, no matter what size your dog is, I know that they'll love these chicken jerky treats just as much as Gertrude does. But that's just our point of view.